Hi everybody, it's 11:45, excuse me, 1:45 and 46 seconds on December 11th. I did this small one for the Justice League of America one, Clayton Crane Virgin variant, only 5 spots right here. I did this just because I wanted to make sure everything was working. I don't want to do something big, and we have an issue with the comments. For some reason, in the last thing I ran, I wasn't seeing the comments. I could see that somebody made a comment. I was getting a notification, but the comments weren't there. Thank God it only happened with 2 spots left. But if it happened early on, I think it would have been a little bit of chaos. So I'm just making sure everything is working properly on Facebook. So that's why I did this very small one. So here we go. Numbers 9. Going to randomize 9 times. Name at the top of the list is going to get the book. It ships tomorrow. Good luck. It's a beautiful book, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here's the final one. 9, spot 5, Jeff Lewis. Congratulations. Time is 1:46 and 50.